So to conclude, this is not a sermon for someday Christians. It is a call to now obedience. Because mga igsoon, wala man nangita ang Ginoo og more resources, more experience, wala. More confidence, wala. He is unsa gipakita sa Ginoo, ang gihuwat sa Ginoo, ang atong yes. Ang atong yes ra gyud ang iyang gihuwat. Not when life slows down, not when fear disappears. Dili ko kalos ang kahadlok mawala. But not when everything finally makes sense, but now. Your yes now. So love Him, obey Him, abide in Him, and bear fruit now. So today, God is calling the now generation. Unsa itong now generation? It's not defined by age. It's defined by obedience, surrender, and responsiveness. So I ask you this, will you live for someday or will you live for now? If God is speaking into your heart, don't wait. Ayun, paghuwat. Don't hesitate. Say hesitate. Pagduha-duha. And don't delay, because to delay is to disobey. And dili lang delay. Kanang partial obedience is still resistance. Pagsuway, pagsupak, yapon na. Kinahanglan mo say yes ta karon.